If you request the Honorable President of India, the Prime Minister, or the Home Minister, they forward your request or complaint to the state, citing constitutional clauses that deem it a state administrative matter. Despite warnings not to involve the state administration alerts and updates the same jurisdiction police stations and the district administration, which are compromised with land sharks. Consequently, the ground reality is immediately altered, akin to how a pond is filled with black sand in the dark late at night for months or years, and then kept for years to make it recorded as land fit for multi-story buildings. These changes are evident in soil and water tests, which show construction fit soil. In West Bengal, many citizens, after death, are found with their rotten bodies, and their wards are labeled as psychics in society. These individuals hold many certificates pasted on walls or in CVs, and their stories have appeared in the media for years, only to later go silent. These incidents mostly involve decent families who cannot twist the narrative but can only provide words. Most of these individuals' parents are retired government employees. In contrast, while opposition leaders receive protection and security from the central government when protesting against wrongdoings in power, common society members do not get the same protection from opportunistic individuals. These opportunists earn their livelihood by exploiting others, similar to the historical betrayal by Mir Jafar, and are often used by politicians. A recent example is the Kanchenjunga train accident, where the entire blame was placed on a weak goods train driver. As union realities are now emerging, it is clear that there is no human rights protection, NGO support, or press truth-finding body for an individual before cremation cementation. This creates an illusion of justice and protection in society.
Studying with Willie helped me to
government jobs,
pass
and
this.
private jobs are controlled by area clubs, councillors, lane roadies, and unemployed youth running biker gangs, all contributing to a system that fails to protect the common people.